Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're taking a look at the Drone Photo Awards 2020 and viewing the recently announced winners. The competition is run by the people behind the Siena International Photo Awards and provides some exciting exposure for the successful winners. You can support the event itself and this year's participants via the links in the description. Let's take a look at this year's winners. The 2020 awards featured a new category of our times, Life Under COVID-19. Within the video portion of this section, Pablo Barrera Edward Kostakis was first classified for his eerie work titled NY on Pause. The runner-up, Russia Corona Moscow COVID-19 by Pushkin Fly Team, gave us a unique view of the metropolis. First classified under the photography section was Black Flag by Roma Applebaum, showing protesters in Israel maintaining social distancing. Runner-up, titled Heart of Warsaw by Rafał Ganowski, showed a popular square normally dotted with restaurant umbrellas and crowds, now deserted. Winner of the urban section, titled Alien Structure on Earth by Thomas Kowalski, gives us an outer world feel to the Petronas Towers. Runner-up, Dubai Marina by Carmen Shirako, shows how the architecture, street design and pier interact with the waterline. Here are some more of the winning pictures. Stick around to the end to see this year's overall winner. So, to the drone photo of the year, Love Heart of Nature by Jim Bicot, showing a winter shot of a shark inside a salmon school. When chasing the bait fish, the school became heart-shaped whilst avoiding the shark's path. Check out even more winners and participants at the Drone Awards website, linked in the description below. To get more drone and tech related content from Geeksvana, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get your drone news first. Thanks for watching, see you next time.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No one to see.